welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Churchill wants to contest Lok Sabha poll independently if Reginald's candidature is not withdrawn. Sardina's son also throws his hat in ring. NCP almost loses chance of contesting Lok Sabha polls in the state. Tradition of seat sharing ends. High Command tells Neelkant to support Congress. Grams atta sugar unavailable at Sahkar Bhandar and Bagaitdar Bazaar at subsidized rates anymore. Items to be supplied by Horticulture Corporation. High Court admits petition filed by NIA challenging judgment of Special NIA Court acquitting 6 accused in Madgaon blast case. And Depot Cricket Club beats Gino by 21 runs in GPL Super 4 League. Swapnil Asnodkar and Sher Bahadur Yadav man of the match. GPL live on Prudent. Now news in detail. Congress's heavyweight in Salcete, Churchill Almeao has warned to contest Lok Sabha poll if Alex Reginald's candidature is not withdrawn. Churchill Almeao has plans to contest the election independently as Walanka Almeao was not considered for the ticket. Churchill will declare his final decision on Thursday. Meanwhile, sitting MP Sardina's furious son Shalom has plans to resign from Congress and contest Lok Sabha poll independently.
Congress party declared its third list of candidates on Wednesday. North Goa ticket has been allotted to Ravi Naik and South Goa ticket to Alex Reginald. But all isn't well within the Congress. Few Congress bigwigs are upset with this decision of allotting MP ticket to Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald. Churchill has questioned Congress on its declaration of giving ticket to youth and women. He questioned Congress on no ticket to Walanka.
तुम्ही साधना दिलं आम्ही फुल सपोर्ट आलो आणि म्हज्या आंगड्याक सपोर्ट करपाक आसना जायदा म्हणलो साधना दिना जाल्यार म्हण वालांगा ती कित्याक वालांगा बराबर सगळे उरता हाजे गोंयची उरता आनी गोंयची उरतानी ताका मेसेज धाडल्या ती वालांगा बीग कॅन्डिडेट रेजिनाल्ड जर तिकेट चेंज कोना जाल्यार हांव इलेक्शनाक बसता क्लियर आज काँग्रेसीन 12 कोणी यूथ प्रेसिडेंट दिले तिकेट हळ धाडले आनी आख्खे इंडियेमध्ये एकल्या यूथ प्रेसिडेंट वालांगा वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट खंय गेलो.
Whereas Alex Reginald feels Sardina's work for Lok Sabha poll would benefit him, he is hopeful that Churchill Almeao will support his candidature.
See, Churchill is my friend. I don't think he will desert me. Was your friend? Yeah, I was my friend and will be my friend. You don't have to worry about it. We will try to see that he doesn't. We will try our best, and I think he will not let me down.
On the other side, Congress this time denied ticket to sitting MP of South Goa Francisco Sardina. His son Shalom is upset with the move. Shalom has plans to quit Congress and contest Lok Sabha poll independently in South. Meanwhile, Churchill Almeao held a meeting with his supporters. Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
NCP most probably will not field their candidates in Goa. The tradition of seat sharing in the state has ended. NCP is now forced to support their alliance partner, Congress. Congress and NCP high commands had a mutual understanding and allotted Karwar ticket to Praful Patel's son-in-law. And Goa was sadly used as a bait to grab the Karwar ticket.
Both the Congress candidates of Lok Sabha poll, Ravi Naik and Alex Reginald, held a meeting with the GPCC officials on Wednesday. Reginald is confident of winning the seat. He has also asked the independent MLAs to support him.
The Modi factor. If you see both the candidates, what they have got a very strong RSS background. We will expect the people to be with us, and not only that, I will go out 100% to win the seat, whatever may be the circumstances. आमगे जे independent आहे, especially Vijay Sardesai, जो assembly मुझबार वो सदा आलो, I want him to support me fully. म्हणजे फाटल्यान रावन नी, but fully. I want to also appeal to the other independents, and I want to appeal to the GBP Supremo. I want to beg them to support me for simple reason that it is the first time that secularism has to be, the secular fabric of the state has to be protected. It's time when we have to all get together and defeat the communal fascist forces which are threatening the state.
GPCC President John Fernandez has informed that drug cases against Ravi Naik was considered while allotting ticket to Ravi. However, there was no prima facie evidence against him, and as such ticket was allotted to him. When questioned Ravi Naik, he got upset with the media.
No, House Committee ना तुम्हीच घडलं ना. I House Committee म्हणून अजून घडलं. आता घडलं. House Committee जाव काय बोले ना. House Committee किती करता ते करून ये ते आमचं. क्या fabricate किया सर? ये सब ये issue, this issue. सब झूठ है. हम झूठ है क्यों? ना, you know. Otherwise एक show me a single incident जो मुझे पकड़ा, किसी को पकड़ा, क्या कुछ किया.
जेन्ना इलेक्शन कमिटी आसली आमची सेंट्रल इलेक्शन ये मागलो होता.
लोकांक खबर आहा गोंयचे.
ये इशू रेज जाल्ले आनी इंटेलिजन्सान clean report दिला. There is no charge sheet, no prima facie case. It was just investigated. वो issue raise केल्लो थंय. And despite of that issue, which has been clarified, that was a government report there, Prime Minister was there, and nothing was found, and therefore he was considered. So this is of the past.
In all this, NCP is at loss. Goa NCP unit was used as a bait to allot Karnataka ticket to Praful Patel's son-in-law. Sources say now NCP will have to work for Congress. NCP President Nilkan Helankar and Churchill Almeao is in Delhi to take the stock of the situation. Sources say NCP leader Praful Patel was successful in getting Karwar ticket for his son-in-law by pressurizing Congress in Goa. Senior reporter Lok Sabha for Prudent.
Grams atta sugar will not be available at the Sahkar Bhandar and Bagaidar Bazaar at subsidized rates anymore. Both the major marketing federations have stopped providing these items from last 15 days. Government has now decided to implement this scheme through Horticulture Corporation. It is proposed that the Horticulture Corporation's van will move with these items in each area. Many are perplexed with this complex system of distribution.
Government has transferred the scheme of providing tur dal, white beans, atta, moong, sugar at subsidized rates from Civil Supplies Department to the Horticulture Corporation. Following this proposal of the government, Sahkar Bhandar and Bagaidar Bazaar has stopped providing these items at the subsidized rates. The Marketing Federation have displayed these notices at their outlets. This decision will affect common people badly. They are forced to buy these items at the market price now. Now, Horticulture Corporation's vans will sell these items in each area. However, as of now, the corporation is falling short of vehicles to transport the goods. But Horticulture Corporation Chairman Kiran Kanolkar claims that attempts are made to make these items available at the cooperation societies. Questions are raised as how Horticulture Corporation will implement the scheme through moving vans. Omkar Farari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.